Good morning, YouTube. I'm in the Dayton View area on Lexington Avenue in Meredith. And here we got an abandoned house right here that I'm going to get a tour of this right here. This is on the corner of Lexington and Meredith. I believe the address on this one is 57 or 58. You could tell a once really beautiful house that's sadly just now in complete and total ruins here. Yet the city of Dayton still wants to insist on building houses in the city of Dayton here, or building houses downtown. Yep, this at one point in time would have been a really beautiful house. It's just a shame what has happened to our city, and it looks pretty far gone to me. Just a once beautiful house, it's just now in a ruinous heap. This used to be one of the nicest neighborhoods in the city of Dayton, and it's really fallen on hard times recently. Yeah, this at one point in time would have been a really beautiful house for some family, but yeah, you can see it's been stripped bare. Surprisingly, somebody didn't get this piece of copper right there. And it's just in ruins. Yep, a once really beautiful house. It's just been let go to ruins. Looks like the attic space up here. Some of this might have been a bedrooms at one point in time too. Yeah, this is what's happened to our city. You know, this was probably a 4 or 5 bedroom at one point in time. Would have been a beautiful house at one point in time, but it's just been sadly let go to ruins. So this one is definitely, unfortunately, a tear down because it's pretty far gone. It's been stripped pretty good right through here. I don't know how long this one's been abandoned for, but there's so many of them like it in the city now. It's a view of the outside of it. Yeah, this would have been a really beautiful house at one point in time, but it's just been sadly let go. And then we wonder why Dayton's a miserable and dying city when you see this kind of ruins right here. in our city. Yeah, the electrical box has been stripped off of this as well, so this one's going to be a tear down, unfortunately. Just another one added to the long list, and it's just utterly disgraceful what they've done to our city. But anyway, that's going to be it for this one, YouTube, from Lexington and Meredith and Dayton View.